So I want to know, are nature spirits real, and can we talk to them through this? Yeah, I'm going to be getting the SBox out, testing out the SBox. It's something I'm really interested in, actually. Nature spirits. A lot of cultures around the world accept nature spirits as part of their understanding of reality. And I thought, what better place to try and look for something in the biggest park in the town. But yeah, Japan, ancient Greece, the ancient Celts, Native Americans, so many cultures are sort of incorporating nature spirits into their idea of reality. And so I wondered, is it possible? Because I've been hearing some very interesting things through the spirit box lately. Some really interesting things. But yeah, this one I mostly just want to focus on whether or not we can talk to any spirits of nature. So it's kind of windy, I hope you can hear me okay. I should probably get one of those microphone buffer things, but yeah, let's have a wander. Let's see what we find. So here we have our town stone circle, the mystical stone circles. Were they built by the Druids for ritualistic purposes? Who knows how ancient they may be. No, I'm just kidding, it was put there in the 60s. So yeah, these are the Gorsid stones, which every time a town hosts the Eisteddfod, they have these. So they're not that ancient, but they look pretty cool. So I thought this might be a good place to do an SBox session. It is kind of trying to rain, so it's pretty damp, but let's see what we get. I'm gonna perch myself over here. Oh, it's reading buddy. Ugh. Okay. I'm not sure I want to sit on this. It's kind of wet. So this time I'm going to ask the questions first and then just let the SBox run, and that way it's easier to hear everything. So the question I want to know is, are nature spirits real? Are any of them here? Can they come forward and talk? Can you tell me how many stones are around me in this circle? So those are the questions, and I'm going to record it as always.
SBox. Scanning FM.
So I can go back and transcribe. Hang on a minute, bear with me. Okay, feel free to answer my questions. 11? That's a count. I actually haven't counted.
Yeah.
It's raining. Oh, I've not picked a good day. Are there any nature spirits here? Are there any other spirits here? Do you have any messages for the living? Alright, I'm going to try a different area, I think. I'm going to go a bit further along because it's raining and my SBox is getting quite wet. So yeah, let's move on up. It's quite a big park, so let's see what else we can find further up. 11. How cool is this? It would be too noisy to do a session here, but just wanted to show you the river. Okay, so I've come somewhere a little bit more private. However, we are sandwiched in between two primary schools here that are having very noisy break times. But apart from that, it's quite a private area here, so there's a few dog walkers about, but they're in the distance. I hope that the kids screaming isn't gonna interfere with this session too much, but I thought it was interesting because we're right by a tree here, so that would be interesting to maybe kind of ask the tree if nature spirits are a thing. I mean, it may sound mad, but if we don't do these kind of experiments, maybe there are things we'll never find out. So yeah, I never say anything's too ridiculous to investigate, because life and the universe is kind of mad when you think about it. So let's just do another quick session again. I'm going to ask the questions first. Are nature spirits real? Does this tree have a spirit? Can this tree speak to us through the SBox?
Peony FM.
And once again, I'm going to record it. There we go.
So I see.
Hope you can hear this. Maybe I'll turn it up a bit. Really quiet. Is there anyone here? Any spirits here? Is this tree able? Does this tree have a spirit? Can you tell me? Are there any other spirits here? Tell me about yourself. Anyone have anything they want to say? Or are you the spirit that followed me from home? What's your name? What am I looking at? It just said all right. I'm sure it just said all right. Yeah, it's really hard to understand in real time, but I will go back over that and see what I can transcribe. think. Clothes condition. Say things. Alright. Yeah, there was something coming through, so I'll be interested to go back and see that. Yeah, and what do you think about nature spirits? Let me know in the comments below. And I think it's interesting. I like the idea of it. I like the idea that there's spirits in trees and nature and rivers and things like that. Yeah, kind of like guardian spirits protecting nature. Let me know what you think, and yeah, love and light to you all. Stay curious. Bye.